Do you know the parts of plants, the parts of plants, the parts of plants? Do you know the parts of plants that make them grow and grow? A thick trunk with strong roots, trees give us flowers and fruits. Many branches with leaves so green, trees keep the air clean. Do you know the parts of plants, parts of plants, the parts of plants? Do you know the parts of plants that make them grow and grow, that make them grow and grow, that make them grow and grow? Children, which poem you just listened? Any guess? Yes, it's all about plants and trees. We should plant saplings or trees for oxygen. Not only oxygen, we need shade to protect us from the scorching heat of sun. We need fruits and vegetables to be healthy and strong. So there are so many uses of plants and trees. We all celebrated World Environment Day on 5th June. Children, we all know there are so many body parts in our body which help us to grow and survive. Like this, plant and trees also have some parts in their body which help them to grow and survive. So today we will see the different types of body parts of plants and trees which help them to be a plant or tree from saplings. So let's see. Plants have mainly two types of body parts. One part we can see above the ground and another part we can't see as because it is under the ground. Today we will talk about above the ground part of plant's body. See, this is called stem, which helps the plant to stand straight. It can be green or brown in color. It may be thick or thin, or it may be thorny also. Now come to the next body part. These are called branches of plant. It helps the plant to grow and to be bigger in size. It can also be green in color or brown in color. Now this is the last part of plant's body part. This is known to all. Yes, these are leaves. What is the color of leaves? Yes, it is green in color. But leaves can be in different color, in different shape and in different size also. Like this is a big leaf. These are small in size and these are thin leaves, whereas these are thick. These are long leaves and these are short leaves. So all are leaves, different types of leaves. But basically we see the leaves are green in color. So today we saw three types of body parts of a plant above the ground. The rest you will learn in the next video. But now let's have a recap for all. body parts of plants or trees. Number 1, stem. Number 2, branches. Number 3, leaves. So children, plant more and more trees and plants. See you soon in the next video. Tata, bye.